All right, questions 17 through 18, let's get right into it. So we have how the quantity of the product supplied to the market change if the price of the product is increased by $10. So let's go ahead and look at this passage here. So they give us these two equations here. It says the quantity of a product supplied and the quantity of the product demanded in an economic market are functions of the price of the product. The functions above are the estimated supply and demand functions for a certain product. The function S of P gives the quantity of the product supplied to the market when the price is P dollars, and the function D of P gives the quantity of the product demanded by the market when the price is P dollars. Okay. So what we're going to have to do here is look at what this question is asking. It's saying how the quantity of the product supplied change, right? So we're going to need to use this function right here. So let's go ahead and write it out. So we have S of P equals 1/2 P plus 40. Okay, so now guys, let's just go ahead and choose a price. So I'm going to say P equals 1, okay? We can choose any value here because we want to get a change. So if P equals 1, then I'm going to have S equals, let's see here, 41 divided by 2, okay? So that's going to be S of 1, right, when the price is 1. Now what happens if we increase it by $10? So now I'm going to have the price of $11, right, because 10 plus 1 is 11. So I'm going to have 1/2 11 plus 40, and then this is going to equal 51 divided by 2. All right, guys, so if you look at this right here, let's go ahead and figure out what the difference is. So I'm going to have 51 divided by 2 minus 41 divided by 2, and I am going to get 10 over 2, which is going to be equal to 5. So here we have a 5 units difference, and it's going to increase if the price increases. So our answer is going to be B. Okay. All right, at what price will the quantity of the product supplied to the market equal the quantity of the product demanded by the market? Okay, so they say equal, so that's a huge kind of giveaway here. So we want to know at what price the quantity of the product is going to equal. So all I have to do is take these two equations and set them equal to each other. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to have 1/2 P plus 40 equals 220 minus P. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add P to both sides. So I'll get 3/2 P plus 40 equals 220. And then I will subtract 40 from both sides. Then I'll have 3/2 P equals 180, and then I will multiply both sides by 3/2 to get those to cancel. Or sorry, excuse me, 2/3. Multiply by 2/3, and I will have, sorry guys, getting a little messy. I will have 60 times 2, which is going to be equal to 120. All right, so the price when those are both going to be equal is when it is $120. All right, guys, that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.